Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. So today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can deposit crypto on your Etoro account. To do so, first of all, let's log into your Etoro account from a Google Chrome browser like I already did. And after logging into Etoro browser or Etoro account, you can see that you are on the home page. Now, to deposit any kind of crypto or money, you need to be on your real account. That is, if you see switch to real, then it means you are on the virtual portfolio. But if you switch to virtual, then you are on the real portfolio. Now simply click on switch to real and select go to real portfolio. Here, as I am on my real portfolio, you can see our option for switch to virtual is there. If it is like this on your own Etoro, then just leave it as is. Now, to simply deposit funds or any kind of crypto or coins, just click on deposit funds from here. Now, after depositing funds, you can see that you are able to add the amount here and enter the information about the debit card and also your names. Simply click on done after you have inputted all the information and the amount you want to fund your account. And after that, you'll be able to see that now your account has been deposit the amount that you want it to deposit. From here, you can simply go on to discover, and after going on to discover, these options for stocks, crypto will be there. Now go on to crypto and you are able to now go on and invest or buy or even sell any kind of crypto that you wish. That is how you can deposit funds on your Etoro account. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.